Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Discord no root RTC connecting. Alright, so let's begin with the video. For the first method, open up your Discord and you want to head over to Discord settings from the bottom right corner. Then go to voice and video section and make sure that both your input and output devices are set correctly. If everything looks fine but it's still not working, scroll all the way down to the bottom and under Reset All Voice Settings. Click on Reset and then confirm by clicking OK. After that, check to see if this fixes the problem. Now for the second method, head over to Search, type in Task Manager, and open it. Once Task Manager is running, make sure Discord is completely closed. Scroll down until you find Discord, right-click on it, and select End Task. After that, go to the Details tab and do the same thing there. If you see Discord running, right-click it and choose End Process Tree. Next, go to the bottom right of your taskbar, click on the small arrow to show hidden icons, and if you see Discord there, right-click it and click Quit. Next, go back to Search Bar, then type CMD and run it as administrator. Once Command Prompt opens, type ipconfig// DNS and press Enter. This will clear your DNS cache, which can sometimes fix voice issues in Discord. For the next method, head back to Search and type VPN settings, then open it. If you currently have any active VPN connections, try disabling them and see if that fixes the issue. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Discord's voice connection. Once you've completed all of these methods, restart your computer. After restarting, open Discord again, and the microphone or voice issue should be fixed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Discord no root RTC connecting. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.